What if everything we know suddenly changed? What if the Earth stopped its steady rotation forever? Imagine one moment everything is normal, the next chaos. What if the balance of the universe was disrupted in a single instant? The moment the Earth stopped spinning, due to the law of conservation of momentum, everything would be flung eastward. Winds reaching speeds of 1670 kilometers per hour at the equator, exceeding the speed of sound and causing sonic booms, would devastate everything in their path: buildings, trees, even people. The oceans would transform into massive tsunamis, engulfing coastlines. This sudden stop would trigger the movement of tectonic plates, leading to massive earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Earthquakes of magnitude 10 and above on the Richter scale would shatter the Earth, separating land masses. Awakening supervolcanoes would blanket the planet in ash and lava. Earthquakes on the ocean floor would create mega tsunamis. Since the Earth would no longer rotate, one side would constantly face the sun and scorch, temperatures exceeding 100 degrees Celsius, while the other side would freeze in eternal darkness, dropping below minus 100 degrees Celsius. Ocean currents would cease, completely disrupting the climate balance. These conditions would make most of the planet uninhabitable. The extreme temperature differences would also cause dramatic changes in the planet's atmosphere. The collision of hot and cold air masses would constantly create massive storms, hurricanes, and tornadoes. With the weakening of the magnetic field, auroras similar to the northern lights would appear even at latitudes where they are not normally seen. The sky would be a constant spectacle of light, but this spectacle would be a harbinger of impending disaster. The oceans would also be affected. The waters on the sun-facing side would evaporate rapidly, while the waters on the other side would freeze, forming thick layers of ice. The evaporated water would increase the humidity in the atmosphere and lead to the formation of vast salt deserts. The coastlines would turn into barren lands covered with salt crystals. Under these conditions, the vast majority of complex life forms would perish. Only the most resilient microorganisms and perhaps a few species that could adapt to extreme conditions would survive. The Earth would transform into a completely different planet, very different from what we know. Without the Earth's rotation, our protective magnetic field would disappear. The planet would be exposed to deadly solar and cosmic radiation. The atmosphere would slowly be stripped away, the oceans would evaporate. Over time, Earth would transform into a barren and lifeless planet, similar to Mars. In this video, we explored a rather extraordinary scenario. What would happen if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? We examined what such an abrupt stop could mean for our planet and the life it sustains. As we've seen, such an event would be catastrophic. However, let's remember that this was a thought experiment. Rather than a likely occurrence, it's a tool that helps us better understand the workings of the universe and our planet. The Earth's rotation, although it may seem like a simple movement, is vital for life on our planet. The centrifugal force created by this rotation keeps our atmosphere and oceans in place. It also generates our magnetic field, protecting us from harmful radiation from the sun. Ocean currents regulate our climate by transferring heat between different regions of the Earth. Our atmosphere, on the other hand, makes life possible by providing the air we breathe and filtering harmful rays. Without the Earth's rotation, these systems would collapse, and our planet would be a very different place. This thought experiment once again reveals how delicately balanced the universe is. Even a seemingly small change can have large and unforeseen consequences. When we consider this theoretical scenario, we truly understand how precious and fragile life itself is. The conditions offered by our planet and the universe are in perfect harmony for the existence of life. It is our responsibility to preserve this harmony and pass it on to future generations. Scientific thought experiments allow us to better understand the universe and ourselves by asking what-if questions. Through such experiments, we gain a deeper understanding of the complexity of nature and the miracle of life. Welcome to the Possibility Channel. We're a community dedicated to exploring all kinds of possibilities by asking what if. We delve into intriguing and thought-provoking what-if scenarios on various topics: nature, history, fiction, science, you name it. If you're eager to satisfy your curiosity and discover different perspectives, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on our next exploration.